Greetings, this is Chris from Tantalizing Tech. CES 2023 completed recently, and Lenovo has unveiled some really exciting and new tech. This particular episode will only focus on the new Lenovo ThinkBook Plus Twist laptop. Please stick around until the end to see if this laptop is tantalizing. But first, hit the subscribe button and leave a comment saying, "I subscribed." And I will do my best to personally reply to as many comments as I can. As I mentioned, we will now discuss the Lenovo ThinkBook Plus Twist laptop. As shown on the screen, the Lenovo laptop comes in storm gray. In addition, this laptop also has a 16.9 version with a 13.3-inch 2.8K LED with touch glass, 60 hertz, 40 nits, 91% screen to body ratio, and 100% DCI-3 P3 gamut. In terms of this laptop, as shown, has the cover mode. And this particular laptop has two displays. It has a cover mode, which is displayed here with the e-ink display shown, and it also has another laptop display, which is displayed on the other side of the display. In this particular e-ink display, it has a 12-inch colorful e-ink with 100% touch with a 12 hertz refresh rate. In terms of port selection, if we're looking at the right side and going from left to right, we have an orientation display button, a power button, and also a USB Type-C Thunderbolt 4 port. In this particular picture, we have the e-paper mode, which is a cover ink display as shown. In this particular laptop, it comes with a 13 Gen Intel Core i7 U series processor. In addition, this laptop weighs 2.97 pounds or 1.35 kilograms. This particular laptop is shown in tablet mode. For this laptop, we have the full HD RGB camera with two mics included with this laptop. In addition, with this laptop, we also have the Lenovo Sound and Dolby Atmos sound. Furthermore, if we look at the left-hand side of the laptop, and I know you might be saying, "Hey, Chris, how is this a side of the laptop?" It's because the display is switched around with the swivel base that you have here. So if we look at the left side and going from left to right, we have a USB Type-C Thunderbolt 4 port and also a headphone microphone combination port. In this particular picture, we see the twist hinge, and in this particular display, we have the cover e-ink display that's shown. Also, if we look at the right-hand side of the laptop, we also have the orientation display button, the power button, and a USB Type-C Thunderbolt 4 button or port. In this particular mode, we have the cover mode, and included with this laptop is Wi-Fi 6E connectivity. We also have Bluetooth 5.3 connectivity. Furthermore, this laptop comes with a Lenovo Base Pen 4.0. If we're looking at the port selection, we're looking at the right-hand side of the laptop. And once again, I know you're saying, hey, Chris, how is this the right-hand side of the laptop? It's because the display is twisted. And if you look at the keyboard, you could tell that the keyboard is in the direction where the right-hand side of the laptop is depicted in this particular picture. So if we look at the right-hand side, and we're going from left to right, we see that we have an orientation display button first. We have a power button next, and then a USB Type-C port, Thunderbolt 4. In this particular mode, we have the e-paper mode. And of course, as mentioned before, it includes the 12-inch colorful e-ink with 100% touch with a 12 hertz refresh rate. In addition, if we look at the port selection, on the left-hand side of the laptop, which is at the bottom of the photo, we have a USB Type-C Thunderbolt 4 and also a headphone microphone combination port. In terms of the picture that we have here, we have the e-paper mode. And in terms of this graphics card, which is included with the laptop, and this graphic card is a unified memory architecture with Dolby Vision. In addition, if we look at the port selection on the left-hand side of the laptop, we have a USB Type-C Thunderbolt 4 port with a headphone microphone combination port. In terms of this laptop, we also have the twist hinge mode, and included with the laptop is a 65-watt AC power adapter and a 56-watt-hour battery. Furthermore, for this typewriter mode setting that we have here, we have up to 1 terabyte of PCIe NVMe Generation 4 M.2 SSD storage capacity. Also on the right-hand side, we have an orientation display button, a power button, and also a USB Type-C Thunderbolt 4 port. And I know you're saying, hey, Chris, how do we know if it's the left hand side or the right hand side of the laptop? You look at the keyboard and the display twist mode is at the forefront of the laptop. So you look at either side and you say, hey, we're on the right hand side of the laptop based on the keyboard. The next item we have is the OLED tablet mode, and this explains the OLED tablet display that we have here, where you can use the laptop as a tablet, but using the main display as the interface. In terms of this laptop, we have a 16 gigabytes of LPDDR5 memory. In addition, the right hand side of the laptop, and you have to remember, look at the keyboard and decide which side is the left hand side and which hand is the right hand side. So if we look at the right hand side of the laptop and we're going from left to right, we have the orientation display button, the power button, and also the USB Type C Thunderbolt 4 port. So the question is this laptop tantalizing? And before we decide if the Lenovo ThinkBook Plus Twist is tantalizing, I wanted to remind you to subscribe if you feel that this video is tantalizing. Leave a comment saying, I subscribe, and I will do my best to personally reply to as many comments as I can. And now, the decision as to whether the Lenovo ThinkBook Plus Twist is tantalizing. The verdict's in. Yes, this laptop is tantalizing. And I will list in the table my reasons as to why I think that this laptop is tantalizing. In terms of this laptop, I have listed in the first column the tantalizing features. In the center column, I listed the monotonous features. And in terms of the right hand column, I listed the unalluring features. So, in terms of this table, I will only go over the tantalizing features. If you would like to pause the video, you can review the monotonous and unalluring features of this laptop. But in terms of tantalizing features, this laptop has a full HD RGB camera with two microphones. In addition, this laptop has up to 16 gigabytes of LPDDR5 memory. In addition, other tantalizing features of this laptop include a 16 by 9 version 13.3-inch screen with 2.8K OLED with touch glass, 60 hertz, 40 nits, 400 nits, 91% screen to body ratio, and 100% DCIe P3 gamut. Furthermore, there's also another display, which is the touch cover e-ink display. It has 12-inch colorful e-ink with 100% touch and 12 hertz of refresh rate. In terms of other tantalizing features, it has Wi-Fi 6E and Bluetooth 5.3. In addition, other tantalizing features include 360-degree compatibility. In addition, it also includes two USB Type-C Thunderbolt 4 ports. Furthermore, it has headphone, microphone combination ports. In addition, it also has 65-watt AC power adapter. Further tantalizing features for this laptop include an edge-to-edge keyboard with backlight, a Lenovo Base Pen 4.0. In addition, it has certified to MIL STD S810H standards for drop and durability tests. Also, it has 12-inch of colorful e-ink with 100% touch with 12 hertz of refresh rate. So again, I want to thank you for watching Tantalizing Tech. I have been your host, Chris. Once again, I wanted to remind you to subscribe if you feel that this video is tantalizing. Leave a comment saying I subscribe, and I will do my best to personally reply to as many comments as I can. Wow. Now that was tantalizing. Thank you.